like the original song, a heavy metal song called This Is What It Sounds Like to Us. Okay, maybe baby boomer. But you know what? You know, that's why I can afford a Quigley Lead 56 Gold Top. Because of a baby boomer, man. Yeah. You ready? You ready to rock and roll? Here we go. Writing a song to be really smooth. No need to tell it. You just have to yell. No need to rhyme. You can even say boo. Sing the words out loud like you're in the bathroom. All the words don't even make any sense. Just scream like you're not so caught on the fence. Jump on the stage like you pass a wrong mile. Get a job interview, but oh God, never get hired. If you're smart, don't make it apparent. You stay living at home, you live with your parents. Make some noise, you cannot dance. Just jump on the stage like there's eggs in your pants. Sing your song while you're making a fist. Turn it about, get the baby boomers pissed. Scream your words like you're having a fit. Make it sound like you're taking a shit. Trash and boom, handsome rooms. Don't be the eagle, just be the goon. Fire the job, but never get hired. If you do, find a way to get fired. Call in sick, or just show up late. Say you passed the night with your crazy freak date. You get $20, think I can borrow. I may not be able to pay you tomorrow. Baby boomers and old people suck, but they own the houses and also the truck. They are so stupid, work all the time. I make my money selling W crime. I can't wait to live all day. Whatever line, I'm the one that was wrong. Maybe it will be me. I will lose, but I'm still working. Hold people out on the cruise. Yeah. This just sounds like